Basically, you have this function where you have two specific points, A and B, and you want to find the volume of the region that's revolving about the x-axis. We're going to just go ahead and use the washer method. Remember, the washer method tells you that you're going to take pi times the integral from A to B of the large radius squared minus the small radius squared. That's going to be pretty simple. Well, the large radius is going to be the top of the function minus the axis of symmetry. We have pi 1, 2, 3 halves. 4 minus 2x minus 1 squared, and then this is going to be minus 0, so I'm not going to write that, but then we're going to square it. Minus, let's talk about the small radius. Well, the small radius now is going to be this value right here, so you have to remove the open space. Well, that's also going to be the top function minus the bottom, and the top function here is just a horizontal line, which is going to be 1. So this will become 1 minus 0 squared. So if anything, just 1 squared. That's it. This will become pi, and then we have integral from 1 to 3 halves, 16 over 2x minus 1 to the power of 4 minus 1. Okay, that's going to be pretty simple. All we have to do now is integrate this and integrate this portion. We make u equal to 2x minus 1. du is going to be 2 dx. Let's go ahead and move the 2 to the other side. du over 2 is equal to our dx. This is our differential that we need for this particular portion. Just imagine like there's going to be a dx right there. When x is equal to 1, well, u is going to be 2 times 1, 2 minus 1. So that's just going to be 1. When x is equal to 3 halves, then we have u is equal to 2 times 3 halves, which is 3 minus 1. So we have 2 pi. And then we have integral from 1 to 2 of 16 to the power of negative 4 times du over 2 minus, and then this is already going to be x. So I have x, and then we're implementing the fundamental theorem of calculus on this one right here. So that's going to be 1 and 3 halves. This is going to become an 8. But then we're going to integrate. We have u to the power of negative 4, so this is going to be u to the negative 3 over negative 3 from 1 to 2 minus, and let's just go ahead and start plugging these in. This is going to be 3 halves minus 1. Now we have pi. This is going to be negative 8 thirds, and then on the bottom, because this has a negative power, this is going to become 2 to the power of 3. In other words, just 8 minus negative 8 thirds, and then we're going to have a 1 on the bottom here. I just brought this downward over on this side. So I have minus, and then this should also have a pi. I guess I should have distributed the pi to both of these things. I'm sure someone was yelling at me about that. Okay, 3 halves minus 1 is just going to be 1 half, so we're going to leave it like that. What we have is we have pi plus going to be 8 thirds, and then we have plus pi over 2. 7 pi over 3 minus pi, or plus pi over 2. Sorry about that. No, it's a minus. Let's go ahead and get some common denominators. 14 pi minus 3 pi over 6, and this will be 11 pi over 6. And that is it, guys.